Hello everyone, and if you have noticed that this video seems pretty bland and washed out, but that is what I'm trying to do exactly. Let's walk through and see how we can get from this to this. So this is what I'm trying to do, is to get this color grading done for this video. And why are you looking at this washed out video is exactly what the basis of getting the correct color grading to be done. And what I'm recording right here is using the Canon M50. I have also downloaded the TechniColor CineStyle format for this color that you see right here. But let's walk through and see how you can get from this to this. So the first step to do is I actually downloaded the CineStyle from TechniColor, which I can leave the links right below this video. And to get it started, the procedures and the steps taken to install this CineStyle into your Canon M50 or whichever Canon camera is right in that TechniColor link page. And so let's not work hard on how to install that CineStyle, but get into how you can make use of that CineStyle to get better color gradings for your videos. I definitely do not want to bore you with all the technicalities and installation processes, because you probably can already find them through Google's and all the websites and forums. So let's get into seeing what you can achieve with the TechniColor CineStyles. Why we want to use this such a flat out CineStyle is because we want to get a better dynamic range during the post-processing, and so hence we want to, most of the video editors would like to do that. Of course, you can use a native portrait or faithful mode and pass it off with easy editing, but then as you guys, some of you guys will probably wanted to have more options to edit your videos to certain kinds of LUT color grading. So there you have it, the CineStyles from TechniColor on the Canon M50. I hope you guys enjoy it.